Welcome back to Auto Review. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 GMC Pickup Truck, a powerhouse that blends rugged capability with modern technology. If you're in the market for a versatile and reliable truck, this one might just be for you. Starting with the exterior, GMC has given this truck a bold and aggressive design. The front grille is massive, featuring a signature chrome or blacked-out finish, depending on the trim. LED headlights and C-shaped daytime running lights enhance visibility and add to its commanding presence. The body lines are sharp and muscular, giving it a tough yet aerodynamic look. The bed is designed for practicality, featuring an available multi-pro tailgate that offers 6 different functions, making loading and unloading a breeze. Higher trims come with carbon fiber composite beds for durability, and power side steps for easy access. Inside, the 2025 GMC pickup truck takes comfort and technology to the next level. The cabin is spacious, featuring premium materials such as leather upholstery, open-pore wood, and aluminum trim on higher trims. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Google built-in, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. There's also a 12.3-inch digital driver display that provides customizable information at a glance. Heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium Bose sound system make long drives comfortable and enjoyable. Storage is also well thought out, with multiple compartments, including a hidden under-seat storage space in the rear. Under the hood, GMC offers multiple powertrain options. The base model features a 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivering 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. For those who need more power, there's a 5.3-liter V8 pushing 355 horsepower or a mighty 6.2-liter V8 producing 420 horsepower. If fuel efficiency is a priority, the 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine offers an impressive balance of power and efficiency, delivering 305 horsepower and 495 lb-ft of torque. These engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and strong towing capabilities. The truck is available in both rear-wheel and four-wheel drive configurations, with an advanced adaptive suspension system available on higher trims. Pricing for the 2025 GMC pickup truck starts at around $42,000 for the base model, while higher trims like the Denali Ultimate can push past $80,000 with all the premium features. The AT4X trim, designed for off-road enthusiasts, adds rugged suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, making it a great choice for adventure seekers. Overall, the 2025 GMC pickup truck is a well-rounded package, combining power, luxury, and technology. Whether you need it for work, play, or a mix of both, GMC has something to offer. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching Auto Review, and we'll see you in the next video.